Okay, you ready? Let's check it out. Alright. Having fun. I love this place. This is great.
Yeah.
Yes. Lots of space. Cool. Hello. This is the bathroom, shower. You going in the bedroom? Hold on. Oops. Alright. This is the bedroom. Lots of cabinet space. Big fridge. I love it. Even has a washer and dryer. This is great.
It's nice and comfy.
Yes. Wow, look at the view. There's a huge mountain just out there. How do we open this? We just got into this apartment in Rio de Janeiro. It's really cool. It's not expensive at all. We're 2 blocks away from the beach, and we paid $695 for 2 weeks, so that works out to about $42 per day. Not bad at all. We're gonna go explore in a little bit, but the beach is literally 2 blocks away. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Rio de Janeiro, we haven't really ventured far from Copacabana Beach where we're staying, but you can't really complain. This place is pretty cool.